वेङ्कटेश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidars, Kotaris, sitting with us, visitors, viewers in Haridwar Nityananda Sabha and all over the world through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV and two-way video conferencing, having Nayanadiksha sitting with us, Ma Purnananda Kalyanananda from Malaysia Airport, Phoenix Kanchipuram, London Kashi, Toronto Kailasam, Bangalore Bashveshwar Nagar, Houston Kalahasti, Vancouver Bhubaneswar, Seattle Chidambaram, Nityananda University Los Angeles, Bangalore, Phoenix Kanchipuram, Washington DC, Sripuram, Houston Kalahasti, Toronto Kailasam, Nityananda Nagara Bididi, St. Louis Festus, Ohio Prayag, San Jose Madurai, Toronto Kailasam, London Kashi, Jorpati Nepal, Nityananda University Paris, Belgium Dhyanapeetham, Dubai Vaidyanatham, Port Washington New York, Scottsdale Arizona, Guadalupe Rameshwaram, Allison California, Tirunelveli Dhyanapeetham, Calgary Amarnath, Kuala Lumpur Parani, Hong Kong Sirgari, New York Varanasi, Vishweshwara New York, Hyderabad Guptakashi, Netherlands Philadelphia, Tirunelveli Dhyanapeetham. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, seventh day of 27th Inner Awakening, seventh day of 24th Ingenious, we are going to work on completion with others. I wanted to expand on the same truth today. This completion with others. Most difficult thing if you are stuck with the pattern of egocentrism. Most easiest thing if you can flow in the space of friendliness. Understand? There are only two things that can heal incompletions and wounds in the whole world. Nothing else can heal. One is Kala, another one is friendliness. Kala, the Lord of Time. Time can heal by making you forget and removing the impact and making those wounds, people who gave you the wounds, irrelevant to your life. Friendliness can also do the same job, but immediately. Understand? Kala takes sweet time, his own sweet time to make you forget, heal, complete, and make that whole incident irrelevant to your life. For example, surely you will not be carrying deep wounds related to somebody who was part of your life 25 years before and now he is not even there, he is irrelevant to your life. You may not carry incompletions, wounds. Maybe the pattern you may carry, but not with him. Because he is irrelevant for your life anymore. Understand? Kala also heals, but taking a lot of time. If you just wait for Kala to heal, I tell you, you will miss a lot in the life. You can heal it immediately. You can complete much of your incompletions immediately. You can bring yourself immediately by friendliness. Friendliness is one of the very important nectar, Amrita, to heal many of the disease in your body itself. Please understand. Most of the incompletions you carry with others will be stored in your biomemory only as diseases. The incompletions you carry with others, when they are stored in your biomemory, don't think they will be sitting in you as a pleasant energy. No. They will be sitting in you as some disorder, disease, discrepancy, disturbance. Friendliness is a powerful nectar which can heal so many of the diseases and disorders in your system before even they express as a full-fledged disease. Before even the symptoms and pain comes out, it can be healed. Friendliness is the nectar you need to pour on yourself again and again. Friendliness is the nectar you need to drink, take bath, keep it as main source of your life. Only when you awaken the friendliness in you that completion with others becomes a reality. Every day completing with others becomes reality only when you awaken the friendliness. I tell you, money, health, fulfillment in the life, contentment, all this can simply become reality with you, can simply become reality in you, and all this can be your reason for celebration if you carry friendliness. Please understand. If you carry friendliness in you, with you, money can be the reason for celebration. Sometimes money itself becomes a reason for fear. Understand? I have seen people, money becomes the reason for their fear. They are afraid somebody will kill them and take away their money. Money becomes the reason for their sufferings. With friendliness, if it is generated, money becomes the reason for your celebration. Relationships become reason for your celebration. your health will become reason for your celebration. Friendliness. I tell you, friendliness is the most auspicious thing in the world, which can bring all auspiciousness in your life. This one quality, friendliness, not just with the human beings you see, animals, plants, rivers, hills, the seat you are sitting, everything you see radiate friendliness. Today all of you are going to, all the inner awakening participants, all of you are going to talk to so many people and complete with so many of them. Today whole day decide in your eyes, in your tongue, in your ears, in your body, in your thinking, everywhere you will carry friendliness. Let friendliness be the nectar. Let friendliness be the Ganga flowing in you. Let friendliness be the energy runs you. Whatever you see, you touch, you think, today let everything happen with tremendous friendliness. Actually, yesterday I went to Haridwar, the inside city. Don't ask me when, because all that whole day you are seeing me in the class. When did I go? Don't ask me that. I went just to see whether today I can take you guys and show you the glimpse of what is going on in Haridwar. Mainly just to make you experience the kind of a friendliness people radiate in the name of Mahadeva. This is the world's longest pilgrimage done by largest number of people. There are some other pilgrimages like Shabarimala done by more number of people, but the distance of the pilgrimage is less. It's less than 14 kilometers, but here almost 200 kilometers, 10 million, 1 crore people are walking. Yesterday itself, all roads of Haridwar is blocked. Please understand. The whole Delhi to Haridwar traffic is blocked. The main national highway is blocked. All the traffic is diverted. Today is actually Monday. You can see yesterday itself I saw that any distance, any amount of distance you can see in any direction is only that Kavadiya. Kavadiya means that on the shoulder with a stick they put 2 Ganga water pots and carrying it on the shoulder, and that Ganga water pot, Ganga pot, that is decorated with all clothes, flowers, with as they wish. Some Kavadiyas are at least 20 feet height and just 4 people carrying. The amount of friendliness they were radiating with each other as a group, it is not a joke. 10 million people gathering and doing a same ritual without even a single crime. And with no infrastructure. They just take bath in Ganga, go to Nilkant Mahadev, take bath there, do Abhishekam to Mahadev, Shiva, and from there start walking and sleep in the nights wherever they get space on the roadside itself. And I was surprised. So many hotels provide free food for these people who are walking. So many hotels, I can say in a way, any hotel you walk in, no one will ask you money. And these hotel people are not rich people. They all make their daily living by selling food. I had tears yesterday when I saw that kind of a friendliness people radiate in the name of Mahadeva, Shiva. And the youngsters, college kids, school kids getting involved. I really wanted to take you all and give you the glimpse. But the police people yesterday itself told me they will allow only my vehicle. They blacked my vehicle 2-3 places. The moment they said, oh Mahamandeleshwar, okay, we will allow only Swamiji's vehicle, but don't try to bring any more vehicles. Even security vehicles we cannot allow. But it is a scene to be seen. The kind of a friendliness. I thought I'll send this vision team and video record and bring it and show you guys. No one gives invitation. No one organizes. That's the beauty of all the great celebrations, festivals happening in India. No one gives invitation. No one organizes. Just people gather. Anywhere I can see, the length and breadth my eyes go, I see people only with the saffron. This Kavadiya devotees, Shiva Bhaktas, they wear saffron color during the pilgrimage. It is like a saffron Ganga entered into the road. If I did not have inner awakening session, I would have surely walked with them. I tell you, whether they know it or not, the friendliness they radiate is what is the Amrita Mahadeva accepts, not just the Ganga water. It is the friendliness they carry. That Amrita only Mahadeva accepts. And friendliness can infuse life into life. Friendliness can bring tremendous joy, tremendous bliss. Into every being. Friendliness. Friendliness is the energy, never makes you powerless, never makes you arrogant, neither makes you resist nor makes you accept. So the essence of today's satsang, when you call, talk to people, do completion with others today, you will breathe, think, see, hear, friendliness. radiate friendliness, just like this. Devotees of Kavadiya means, see, actually, these devotees who are walking in Haridwar, they come from various parts of the country, even various parts of the world. They take bath in Haridwar Ganga and carry the Ganga water pot, go up to Nilkant Mahadev temple. After the Abhishekam, they pour the sacred water on Nilkant Mahadev. After that, again they take bath in Nilkant, in Ganga, and carry the sacred water pot and walk up to Bada Mahadev temple, which is near Meerut, and pour the water on that Shiva deity and do Abhishekam. After that, many of them walk even up to their hometown, home village, native, by walk. This is what they do during this pilgrimage. Almost 1 crore people do this yatra. The whole road is like a flood of saffron color. And the amount of support and help they give to each other is amazing. Today, carry friendliness, breathe friendliness, see friendliness, hear friendliness, radiate friendliness, and complete with all the incompletions with others. That's all. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.com